Have you ever heard of a flower so enormous it can reach the height of a full-grown human, yet so rare it may bloom just once in a decade? Welcome to the captivating world of Amorphophallus titanum, the legendary Titan Arum. This is Amorphophallusid, your go-to channel for exploring the rarest, wildest, and most misunderstood plants on Earth. Today, we journey into the heart of Sumatra to meet a plant that stirs both awe and disbelief. Amorphophallus titanum, the world's largest unbranched inflorescence. Amorphophallus titanum belongs to the Rarest family, the same family that includes familiar names like Anthurium, Philodendron, and Taro. But this species stands in a class of its own. Native exclusively to the rainforests of western Sumatra, A. titanum is one of over 200 species in the genus Amorphophallus, a genus known for bizarre growth habits, massive underground corms, and otherworldly blooms. First described scientifically in 1878 by Italian botanist Odoardo Beccari, Amorphophallus titanum quickly gained notoriety in botanical circles for its gargantuan flowering structure and ephemeral corpse-like scent. The name itself, titanum, hints at its monstrous scale. What makes this plant even more intriguing is how it lives. The Titan Arum begins life underground as a massive corm, one of the largest in the plant kingdom, sometimes weighing over 100 kilograms. From this corm, it produces either a single towering leaf or an inflorescence, but never both at once. The leaf itself is a marvel. Up to 6 meters tall, it's divided into 3 stalk-like petioles that resemble small trees. For several years, the plant goes through cycles of leaf growth and dormancy, each cycle allowing the corm to store more energy. Only when the corm has built enough reserves will it risk producing an inflorescence, an event that can take 7 to 10 years, even in optimal conditions. During dormancy, all visible parts vanish and the corm rests, hidden yet alive. And then, it happens. With little warning, the corm sends up a towering inflorescence, which can grow over 3 meters tall in just a matter of days. The structure is made of a tall spadix, encased in a ruffled purplish spathe that unfurls to reveal deep ridges and a velvet-like texture. But this bloom isn't just visually dramatic, it's hot, literally. Through a process called thermogenesis, the spadix heats up to mimic the body temperature of a decaying animal. This, combined with the now infamous stench of rotting flesh, serves one purpose: attracting carrion beetles and flies for pollination. The bloom lasts just 24 to 48 hours before collapsing. Female flowers open first, followed by the males, to prevent self-pollination. If pollinated, bright red fruits will eventually form around the base of the spadix. It's a spectacle of energy and deception, one of nature's rarest floral events. In the dense forests of Sumatra, Amorphophallus titanum plays a small but intriguing role. Its rare blooms contribute to the biodiversity of carrion insect pollinators, while its sheer size and scarcity elevate it to the status of a botanical icon. In Indonesia, it is known as bunga bangkai, the corpse flower. While the name highlights its infamous odor, it also marks its identity in traditional knowledge and growing conservation efforts. Globally, it has become a symbol of botanical rarity, drawing thousands to botanical gardens during blooming events. Yet in the wild, A. titanum faces threats from deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and illegal collection. It is listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List. Protecting its native habitat is essential not only for the Titan Arum, but for the entire rich tapestry of Sumatran biodiversity. Cultivating Amorphophallus titanum is an exercise in patience and precision. It requires humid, tropical conditions, deep, well-draining soil, and regular fertilization to support the massive energy demands of the corm. Botanical gardens like Kew, Bogor, New York, Botanical Garden, and U.S. Botanic Garden have famously succeeded in flowering it, but often only after a decade or more of careful tending. Collectors and researchers must also contend with timing, synchronizing flowering individuals for cross-pollination and ensuring genetic diversity. But for those up to the challenge, cultivating Titan Arum is a deeply rewarding experience that connects us to a rarefied corner of the plant kingdom. At Amorphophallusid, we've observed Titan Arum corms enter dormancy for over a year before leafing again. It's a waiting game, but every new emergence brings renewed hope for a future bloom. Amorphophallus titanum is more than a botanical marvel. It's a symbol of endurance, rarity, and the astonishing complexity of tropical life. From the forests of Sumatra to the greenhouses of collectors around the world, its presence commands awe and respect. If this species captivates you as it does us, we invite you to explore more stories from the world of Amorphophallus right here on the Amorphophallusid channel. Subscribe, like, and share to support this growing community of rare plant enthusiasts. And for those passionate about conservation or curious about cultivation, visit our website or reach out via WhatsApp or email for discussion, resources, or even seed availability when nature allows. Thank you for watching, and may your garden always surprise you.